Hello everyone! Welcome to our video tutorial. Karong adlaw atong pagatun-an unsaon paghimo og paggamit sa BC Bus instructional material. Andam na ba kamo? Tara na! Objectives. First, to identify, write, and read numbers from 0 to 10. Second, to perform basic addition equation. Materials needed in making the BC Bus. Used box of milk, cutter, pilot pen, stick glue, glue gun or candlestick, pair of scissors, scotch tape, and needle. Steps on how to make the BC Bus. First, gather the materials. Second, get the used box of milk and reverse it. Seal the upper, bottom, and side of the box using stick glue. Third, draw the bus in one area of the used box of milk. Fourth, draw 10 small rectangular shapes inside the bus as windows. Place them on the upper area and add one rectangular shape for the door. Then add 2 circles below for the bus tires. Fifth, in the door of the bus, write number 0 and write numbers 1 to 10 in the windows and make a hole below the numbers. In each number, put little holes for tracing purposes. Sixth, color the bus with yellow, black, and blue. Add some details of the bus. Adunay 5 ka pamaagi unsaon paggamit ang BC Bus instructional material. Una, sa pag-trace sa numbers.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ikaduha, nga paggamit sa BC Bus box. Identify and match. First, ask the child to draw a number from the envelope of identify and match. Let him or her identify it. Second, ask the child to look at the numbers found in the BC Bus. Let him or her match the number and insert it to the hole found below that same number. Third, repeat steps 1 and 2 until all numbers from 0 to 10 have been taken out from the envelope.
Identify a match. I'll get the number from the card. I got number 3. I put number 3 and put it inside of the BC Bus.
Ikatulo, count and drop. Count and drop. First, ask the child to draw a card found inside the envelope of count and drop. Second, let him or her count the dots drawn in that card. Third, instruct him or her to insert the card through the hole found just below to its corresponding number in the BC Bus. And fourth, repeat steps 1, 2, and 3 until all the dotted cards inside the envelope will be taken out.
Let's count and draw. I'll get a number from the envelope. I got 1, 2, 2 dots. When I got 2 dots, that means that's 2. And you need to put in and drop from the busy bus.
Ikaapat, dotted addition equation. Dotted addition equation. First, ask the child to draw a card found inside the envelope of dotted addition equation. Second, let him or her add the equation found in that card and give the sum. Third, insert the equation card into the hole found below to its corresponding sum in the busy box. Fourth, repeat steps 1, 2, and 3 until all the equation cards inside the envelope will be taken out.
Hi, let's do dotted addition equation. Let's get the card from the envelope. Look what I got. Okay, let's count it. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I say 5, you need to put the card in the busy bus.
Ug ikalima, read number words in MTB, Filipino, and English. Read number words in MTB, Filipino, and English. First, ask the child to get a card inside the Read Number Words envelope in MTB. Let him read a word and insert it into the hole of its corresponding figure in the busy bus. And third, repeat steps 1 and 2 until all the number words inside the envelope will be taken out. Follow the same procedure using the Filipino and English medium.
Hello there. Hello there. Let's read number 1.